Simba TV.
Plants are living organisms that belong to the kingdom Plantae. They are primarily characterized by their ability to perform photosynthesis, a process that converts light energy into chemical energy, using carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose and oxygen. Plants are essential to life on Earth as they provide food, oxygen, and habitat for many organisms. They come in various forms, including trees, shrubs, grasses, and flowers, and can be found in almost every environment. Key features of plants include cell structure. Plants have cell walls made of cellulose, chloroplasts for photosynthesis, and large central vacuoles for storage. Reproduction. Plants can reproduce sexually through seeds and flowers or asexually through methods like cuttings or runners. Growth. They exhibit indeterminate growth, meaning they can continue to grow throughout their life. Diversity. There are over 390,000 known plant species, ranging from tiny mosses to towering redwoods. Overall, plants play a crucial role in ecosystems, supporting life and contributing to the planet's health.
Simba TV.